In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily share your Canva project with others. Whether you're collaborating with a team or just sharing your creative work, I'll walk you through the process step by step, ensuring that you understand everything you need to know to make sharing your Canva designs seamless and efficient. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to your Canva project. Start by opening up Canva in your web browser. Once you're there, navigate to the project you wish to share. This could be anything from a presentation or infographic to a social media post or flyer. Now, having your project open is crucial as this sets the stage for the sharing process. Once you're in your project, take a look at the upper corner of the interface. You should see a button clearly labeled Share. Go ahead and click on that button. This is where all your sharing options come into play. After clicking Share, you'll notice a section that mentions People with Access. This section allows you to input specific email addresses of individuals you want to share the project with. An excellent feature if you're working with specific people, as it not only gives them access, but also ties their information directly to the project for easier collaboration. Take advantage of this to streamline communication and ensure everyone is in sync. However, if you're looking for a broader way to share your project, the access level option is what you'll want to focus on. Here, you can adjust settings to allow access to anyone with the link. Changing the access level is particularly useful when you want a larger audience to view or edit your design without the need to invite each person individually. As you make these adjustments, consider the level of access you want others to have. Canva provides several options, such as viewing only, commenting, or even editing permissions. These options can be critical depending on whether you want feedback, collaborative input, or if you're simply sharing a finished product. Be thoughtful in selecting these permissions to maintain control over your project's privacy and integrity. And just like that, your Canva project is successfully shared. Remember, understanding these steps empowers you to efficiently manage and distribute your designs. This process is a game changer for designers, teachers, students, and anyone involved in creative projects requiring collaboration or feedback. So, in summary, open your project, find and click Share, enter specific email addresses, or adjust the access level to broaden visibility and tailor permissions appropriately. Thank you for joining me on this quick journey through Canva's sharing features. With these tips, you'll undoubtedly find the experience smooth and rewarding. Keep creating and sharing.